challenging material. Quality product. Vermeer gets it. Whether you're turning waste into compost or grinding logs into mulch, you need the toughness, technology, and expertise that only Vermeer can deliver. With a local dealer service and support network that has your back, and market experts to help drive your business forward. Innovative features helping deliver the diverse and quality end product you need. A variety of machines helping you master the material on your job site. Whether you're processing wood, green waste, or compost, from raw material to the final turn, trust Vermeer to be equipped to do more.